In this video, you will learn operators in Python. So an operator is like the plus sign in 3 plus 4. So this should give you 7. You can also do the minus sign, the multiplication sign, which is not the X, it is the star sign. So you can find it by holding down Shift and click 8 at the same time. There is also division. And note that in all programming languages, there is no such thing as dividing by 0. So if you divide by 0, you will get an error. Let's go ahead and run the file. So as you can see, we get 7 for 3 plus 4, -1 for 3 minus 4, 3 times 4 gives you 12, and 3 divided by 4 gives you 0.75. Now let's go over some more complicated symbols, such as the modulus sign. So if we have 3 mod 4, then the modulus sign basically gives you the remainder. So you know that 3 divided by 4 gives you 0, and the remainder is 3. So this will give you 3. Now you also have integer division. So basically this means 3 divided by 4 gives you 0.75, and you round down. So once you round down, you will get 0. And another one I like you to know is the exponent sign. So the exponent sign is not this one, it is double star. So this means 3 to the power of 4, which gives you 81. So we run it again, and indeed, here we get a 3 because 3 is the remainder once you get 3 mod 4. 3 divided by 4 gives you 0.75. You round down and it gives you 0, and 3 to the power of 4 indeed gives you 81. It is super important that you know the difference between the equal sign and the assignment operator. So what is the difference between the 1 equal sign and the double equal sign? Well, let's consider the 1 equal sign. In Python, this is actually not the equal sign. This is called the assignment operator. So imagine that A is a box, right? And the box, we put number 3 into the box. So that's what this 1 equal sign means. Now the double equal sign is the true equal sign. So you're basically asking Python, is 3 equal to 4? The answer is no, right? And then it takes the no answer and it puts into a box called A. So once it prints out, you will see that it prints false. The opposite of the equal sign is the not equal sign. So this is the not equal sign. And you're asking Python, is 3 not equal to 4? Yes, 3 is not equal to 4. So this would be a yes answer. It takes the yes, it puts it into a box called A, and when you print it out, it will be a true, like this. The greater or less than equal sign also exists in Python. So if you print 3 is larger than 4, this will print out a false. If you print 3 is less than a 4, this will be true. And similarly, you can do greater or equal, or less than or equal. And as you can see, the first one indeed prints out false, the second one is true, the third is a false, and the fourth one is a true. There is one more operator that I'd like you to know in Python. So if you have, let's say A is equal to 3, what does it mean if you take A plus equals 1? Well, this will be a 4. We're going to save it and we're going to print it out. So as you can see, it prints out a 4. Basically, this means you take 3 and you plus 1 and it gives you 4. So if this is a 2, then it takes 3 plus 2 and it gives you a 5. Now, this syntax is the same as saying A equals to A plus 2. It means the exact same thing. So let's go to the beginning. A is 3. Now A plus 2, it looks inside the box and A is 3. So 3 plus 2 gives you 5. So that's the way it works. I know that in math, this doesn't make sense, but in programming, this would make total sense. Let's run the program, and indeed, it prints out 5. And instead of saying plus equals 1, you can also do minus equals 1. So this will give you 2 because 3 minus 1 is a 2. And similarly, you can also do A is equal to A minus 1. This will also give you a 2. So these are the basic operators in Python. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and also subscribe if you haven't already. And also let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below.